Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are good and doing well. My today's video is all about on how to get ready for any festive or event. So here is the makeup tutorial that I have created and I'll be showing you this in today's video. So stay tuned for the video and watch the full video. Let's get First step is to moisturize your face. So here I'm using Patanjali aloe vera gel for my moisturization. You have to use any other moisturizer to moisturize your face. Then I'm moving forward with my primer. This is oil-free moisturizer and it's best for oily, acne-prone skin. Always use primer in your eyelids so that your makeup can last longer in your eyes because eye makeup mostly fades away. So basically आप अगर प्राइमर लगाओगे so आपका makeup long lasting रहेगा. So yes, you can. Now we'll be moving forward with correcting some of the dark spots. For that I'm using Inside Cosmetics color corrector, and for the color correcting I'll be using firstly the orange color because it reduces that darkness and that redness around any of your pigmentation or acne. Guys, acne are not only of makeup. Sometimes when you use some dirty products around your face, it gives you acne or pimple, and sometimes it's also for your age because you are on that age. At that time you will definitely get some acne or a pimple. So the reason is not only of makeup. Yes, it could be, but if you're using that with all the precautions, then you won't get acne. So let's just mix it all together. And now I am giving you a tip right here that please always use a damp beauty blender. आप इसे पानी से पहले थोड़ा सा damp कर लो and then use it around your face. I'll be using the same thing around my dark circles. That's it now. My whole face is orange now. But you can see all the dark spot and the darkness is just now covered. I'll be applying the concealer everywhere I had applied the color corrector. So here I'm having my concealers as well in this palette. Let's just apply this concealer. So for the concealer I'm using this shade, because this is rose fairish shade. That's why it's very nice for fair skin tone, and for the lighter skin tone you can use this warm. Let's blend it everything with perfection. Guys, let me remind you, it is a festive makeup look, so it should be like very nice. It should look like that आप कोई party या शादी पे जा रहे हो and you are the prettiest there. So you need to do everything with perfection. So that's why you have to use color corrector, concealer and everything. You can see it is looking far more better now. It's only like you can see that I have only used concealer and the whole face is looking so natural. Even I wouldn't have to use that foundation for that natural look, but it is a festive makeup look and I need to use foundation for this. So for foundation I'm using this Faces Canada foundation. And we are done. Let's set everything with any sort of loose powder or a compact powder. So for loose powder here I'm having white tone, and for compact here I'm having Fit Me. So currently I'm using this loose powder. Not mix it because we'll be doing our eye makeup now. I'll be using two palettes. The one is this Morphe one and the next one is this Huda Beauty. So firstly let's start with this Huda Beauty palette. My brushes are here. I'll be using this brush and I'll be picking out this shade. This is light brown shade and it goes well with every skin tone. शेड को अपने पूरे आईलिड्स में कवर कर लो. लाइक इस शेड को आपको पूरे अपने आईलिड्स पे लगाना है. Just like this, and then you'll be using this shade and this shade. You need to mix both the shade, and you need to apply in the eyelid above of that brownish shade. You need to apply kajal here in your above waterline. Let's mix this shade. Now I'll be adding some more black color from here.
Take the shade and apply it in your outer eyelids. Just make sure that आप इसको अच्छे से circular motion पे लगाओ, and you need to cross this color above of your crease area, that is the line that is occurring in your lids. उसके ऊपर तक आपको ये लगा लेना है, just like this.
This type of flat brush, any glittery shade around your eyes. So for that, here I'm using this shade mixed with this shade. And above of that I'm using this shade. I'm again taking this black shade and I'll mix both the shades. Just like this. And the eye makeup is done. Guys, ये जब पूरा complete हो जाएगा, then you'll be getting that final look from the eyes. So now I'm applying kajal around my waterline. Let's curl our eyelashes. Now I'll be using this blush from Stay Quirky. And I'll be using this shade of lipstick from Code. Using highlighter from Swiss Beauty. I will be applying some highlighter here as well, this shade and this shade. That's it. So guys, this is the final look of this festive makeup tutorial. So I hope you would have liked it, and just give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.